Hey guys, I'm Scooby. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Diono car seat with Judah. This is the 2A XT. And the color is going to be gray wool. I'm pretty excited about that to see the color. 1 second, I have to get something a little bit sharper than my mom nails. Okay. Alright, we're gonna both have a first look at this. Woo! Are you standing? Almost there. Alright, watch out, little man. Watch out. So, this is what it looks like when you first open it. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Let's open it up. Alright, come on. What is it? Is this your new car seat? Ooh, yes it is. Alright, I'll just put all that back in there. Alright. He's probably going to have fun messing with that. Okay. So now I probably need to read some instructions on how to put this bad boy together. Get the little foam pieces out. Are you helping me? Ooh, I like this color. Okay, good. There's instructions. Okay. Y'all bear with me. I'm excited to get this bad boy. What are you doing, little man? No. Okay, so you got my feet. Okay, so this went under like that. Oh, very cool. Instructions came in handy. I'm not one of the ones that can just like figure that stuff out. Ooh, this is awesome. Judah. We got a new, oh, whoops, I took this off, but that. Here is the color. This is gray wool. I really like this color. It's darker, it's cute for a little kid, a little boy. They have a lot of like fun colors, like if I had a little girl or something, I was like, oh my god, I'd totally get those. But I like this one. It will go great with our car. I guess that doesn't necessarily matter, but the most important thing is the safety of this, and I've read a lot of great reviews about this, so I'm pretty excited. I didn't really think about when purchasing his first car seat, or about long term. Like this one is from birth up to 120 pounds, and this guy's around like 22 pounds right now, maybe a little bit more, but his car seat he has now, it ends at 30 pounds, so that's like coming up here. So I'm glad we got this in right before he turns 1. He's kind of a little guy, but I like the fact that this is going to last a while, and I wasn't thinking about that, and the mayhem of buying all this stuff, and it can be overwhelming, and you kind of think, oh, I'm just going to go with the cheapest option, but really quality matters and safety, and I think this is like probably one of the most important things, you know, to worry about, because stop drawing that. Because, you know, his safety matters. Oh, did I make you mad? Can you say hey? You say hey? This is your new car seat. What do you think? What do you think? Look! Is this going to be a big boy cup holder? Yeah. Put your milk in there. You love your milk. But yeah, and this is FFA approved. It's going to go, it folds up and can go on airplanes and that. So we do a lot of traveling with our family. So that was another thing that we really were excited about. And there's just a lot of neat features about this thing, so we're excited. Thank you for bearing with us as we open this up. Yeah, so I'll put some information at the end of this so you guys can see, but I just wanted y'all to see what it looked like when we opened it up. We're pretty excited. And so is Judah. Are you excited about it, Judah? Say yeah! Yeah, you got a new car seat. You ready to open it?